Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by getting control. Set your camera to manual exposure and select the bulb mode on the shutter. Mount the camera on a stable tripod, attach a cable release or enable a remote app, and compose the frame. Set ISO to 100/400 to minimize noise, choose an aperture for desired depth of field, and lock focus manually so it won't hunt. Once done, confirm mirror lockup if available. This reduces vibration and ensures every second of your bulb exposure counts. You now control the exposure itself. Trigger the cable release or start the remote timer and hold only for the exact duration you planned. Start with test frames at shorter times, review the histogram, then extend exposures in increments based on highlight retention. This prevents blown highlights. If shooting landscapes at night, use manual exposure calculations or an app to estimate seconds. Make sure long exposure noise reduction is enabled if you want in-camera dark frame subtraction, or shoot matching dark frame. You finish by closing the shutter smoothly with the release and then checking your RAW images and histogram for clipping and focus. If highlights are blown, reduce time or add an ND filter for longer creative exposures. If underexposed, increase time or raise ISO cautiously. Make exposure brackets to guarantee a usable shot. If you see hot pixels, streaks, or inconsistent light, use dark frame subtraction. Shorter exposure segments stacked in post, and ensure any artificial lights are stable to eliminate flicker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.